GE 8500 BTU heat and cool portable air conditioner with dehumidifier and remote. Appearance, color appearance, gray, easy roll casters, yes. Installation, extended length window kit 20 inch to 48 inch. Features, airflow CFM room side high and low 275, 220, 190 CFM. Airflow configurations, single hose. Airflow direction, auto louvers. Continuous condensate drain, yes. Control type, tech light touchpad with LED display. Digital time temperature display, yes. Dual hose kit capable, yes. Dual hose kit capable, yes. Double ER 7.5. Exhaust hose length 5 feet. Fan speed selections, 3 cooling, 3 fan, 3 heating. Filter type, easy access permanent mesh. Heating electric input watts 1250 watts. LCDI AFCI power cord, yes. Operating temperature range Fahrenheit 68 to 80. Plug capacity 120 volt 50 ampere. Plug type A5 15P. Power cord 6 feet. Product type portable.